Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rombai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. The Don Bosco High School in Silchar has brought the Youth Olympics to the Salesian province of Shillong, an interscholastic friendly competition between students from 18 different schools in Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam and Mizoram. The event, which will end today on the 15th of December, has brought together over 839 participants, including boys, girls, teachers and Salesians. The goal is to involve young people in sports and cultural activities, showcasing their talents and promoting the values of sport. For this reason, the chosen team was peace and friendship. The Youth Olympics have been attended, among others, by Dr. P.M.C. Thomas as guest of honor, Father Babu Stephen, responsible for education and culture in Shillong province, and Father Surjit Tiga, principal of Silchar School. During the winter plenary session of the General Council, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, with the consent of the members of his council, appointed Father John Zosiama, Superior of the St. John Paul II Province of India, Shillong, INS, for the 6-year period 2024 to 2030. The Salesian province of St. John Paul II, Shillong, received joyous news on 14th of December 2023 of the announcement of Father John Zosiama's appointment as its third provincial. Father Zosiama, currently serving as Vice Provincial, will assume office on May 24th, 2024, succeeding Father Paul Olincott upon the completion of his term. Father Biju Michael, Regional Councillor for South Asia, made the official announcement from Rome. The date of 7th December will remain in the memory of the Salesian Salesiano University Aratuba, since on this day, the graduation of the first class of medicine was celebrated. The event took place at the University Church, completely renovated to host the university's new degrees and religious events. The young medical graduates were welcomed the day before the ceremony by Father Irondi Tamandar, Director General of the Salesian Salesiano University, who celebrated the solemn mass. Numerous personalities participated on graduation day, including many Salesians, the Secretary of Health in Aratuba, Carmem Guarnti, and the Councillor of CREMESP, the Regional Council of Medicine for the State of Sao Paulo, Regina Merquizini Champs. The presence of these important institutions underlines the relevance of this result, not only for the institution, but also for the community and the health sector of the region. The 14th edition of the concert by the choirs at the Don Bosco Oratory took place on Saturday 9th December at the Migjeni Theatre in Shokda with the title, The One Who Sings Prays Twice. It is an annual event first held around the feast of Don Bosco or Merry Help of Christians, but this year it was in Advent time as preparation for Christmas. This year's edition was enhanced by the opportunity, thanks to the City Council, to hold the concert in the city's historic theatre, which attracted the participation not only of choirs but also of families, and the 530-seat theatre was sold out. 8 choirs performed, 5 from Catholic schools, the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians and the Salesians, including those from Kosovo, 2 from parishes and 1 amateur choir. Together with them, a dance school, a children's theatre group and other artists also performed. The Bishop of the Diocese, Bishop Angelo Masafra, emphasized the courage of the Salesians to dare to offer encounters of quality and great artistic value, using the occasion to invite people to pray, especially for peace. Father Giuseppe Liano SDB, in charge of the oratory, concluded the evening by emphasizing the importance of collaboration between all the organizations to safeguard the beauty of the children's dreams. Don Bosco Eloquence team was crowned champion of the Inter-School Eloquence competition in Goma City for the 3rd edition of the year 2023. It was in the premises of the French Institute of Goma. After a flawless run, having given their best in the knockout phase, the same fervor led them to the sacrament. Opposite St. Joseph Institute, the light and relevance of ideas have chosen their field, that of ITIG. The latter just became the champion of the contest with a score of 80% against 75. The competition was organized by INNOV Youth, an initiative of the Young Intellectuals of Goma. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.